Welcome to day 17 of your self-love transformation journey. Today, you are reclaiming your power, your voice, your boundaries, your energy, and your truth. Your power has never truly left you. It simply needs to be called back home. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's begin. Let your body relax. Let your breath deepen. Let your shoulders drop. Inhale, grounding. Exhale, release. Inhale, strength. Exhale, tension. Feel yourself arriving fully in this moment, present, steady, and open. You are safe here. You are supported here. You are powerful here. Bring your awareness to your upper belly, the space just above your belly button. This is your center of personal power, boundaries, and identity. Place a hand on this space. With every inhale, imagine breathing into this center. With every exhale, imagine releasing any energy that isn't yours. Inhale, power. Exhale, old stories. Inhale, strength. Exhale, self-doubt. Feel warmth building beneath your hand, steady, strong, and alive. This is your inner fire awakening. Imagine now that you're standing in a wide open space. The ground solid beneath you. A warm breeze moving across your skin. Around you, glowing strands of light stretched outward. These strands represent your energy, your time, your emotions, your effort, your compassion, your attention. Some strands extend towards people you overgave to. Some towards situations that drained you. Some towards past versions of yourself. Some towards old patterns. None of this was wrong. You were doing your best. But now, it is time to call back your power. Take a deep, commanding breath in. As you exhale, imagine each strand returning to you, softly, steadily, glowing brighter as it re-enters your body. Feel your energy coming home to you. Feel your power filling your chest. Feel your boundaries rising naturally. Feel your presence strengthening. with every breath, more of your power returns until your entire being glows with vibrant, radiant energy. You are whole again. You are strong again. You are aligned again. Your power belongs to you. Place both hands over your heart or just above your belly button. Repeat silently, I choose myself. Again, I choose myself. Feel the words sink into your energy. Feel your spine lengthen. Feel your chest open. Feel your confidence rise. Choosing yourself is not selfish. It's self-respect. It is strength. It is healing. It is power. You are allowed to choose you. You are meant to choose you. Let this truth anchor deeply inside you. Feel your entire body now. Strong, grounded, connected. Notice how your chest feels more open. Notice how your breath feels deeper. Notice how your energy feels brighter. You are reclaiming yourself on every level. energetically, emotionally, and spiritually. You are stepping into your power. You are choosing yourself. You are remembering who you are. Let this integration settle into your bones. Take one last powerful breath in and gently exhale. Bring movement back into your fingertips, your toes, your neck, your shoulders. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry today's affirmation with you. I choose myself. Tomorrow, we continue with day 18, cultivating self-love in relationships.